Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. Microsoft launched new update for Windows 11. So KB5012643. This is not installed automatically. So you can install manually. So I guide you how to install manually. So this is OS build 22000652 and many app like crash, so stop working after install. So many problems solved in this update, so you can install manually. So search, and I will give you a description in the how direct link. So this is 25 April. So first tab you can download and right click to download. Now this is downloading, then install.